Constantly checking your phone because you're worried about missing a call, text, or email? Missed calls because your phone was in your purse and you didn't hear it ring? Or worried about leaving your phone behind? That's why we created Ditto. Ditto helps people to stay connected without always having to check their phone. Ditto vibrates when someone important to you is trying to get in touch. Ditto is really tiny and super lightweight, so it fits easily, even in the smallest pocket. It also has a built-in clip, so you can attach it anywhere. For example, to your shirt collar, waistband, or bra strap. And Ditto is discreet. You can wear it under your clothes, so you're still free to wear your favorite watch or jewelry. Or wear it on its wristband. Just clip Ditto on in the morning and go live your life. Ditto will vibrate when you get calls, texts, emails, and other notifications that you've set as your favorites in the Ditto app. And you can customize the vibrations so you'll know exactly when to check your phone. Ditto has a digital tether, so you'll know if you've left your phone behind. And it has a silent wake-up alarm, so you wake up, not your partner. Ditto is also waterproof, so you can wear it at the gym or even while swimming. We made Ditto as simple as possible. There are no buttons, switches, displays, lights, connectors, or even charging cables. In fact, you never need to charge Ditto. After many months, when its power is low, you'll get a message notifying you when to replace its low-cost battery. So put Ditto on, wear it anywhere, and be more connected to what matters most.
Noise bothers your sleep, which ends up affecting so much more. It seeds frustration and resentment. It corrupts your health. It causes friction in relationships.
Do you know what time it is?
I'm sorry, the walls are so thin.
It affects life. Hush is here to change that. By combining earplugs with a sound machine, you can completely isolate yourself from the noise around you. And through a wireless Bluetooth connection with your smartphone, you can still let the important things in. Now, you can forget about the world while still having the peace of mind, knowing you'll be brought right back, only when you're needed most. Plus, when your alarm sounds, others don't have to be woken as well. Take control of your sleep and enjoy life again.